1998 Ford Ranger passenger panel rocker repair. It's prime time part 2. I'm using this 2-in-1 fillable sandable primer by Rustoleum, automotive primer too. I'm on the second coat. Alright. I've got a little bit of a northeast wind coming on here, so hopefully most of this will stay on the panel. We'll do what we can, Yep. This stuff works very well. I've been using this on a lot of my projects lately, and I'm able to build it up pretty good. Because I'll move on and use the automotive primer, which is the second step to this product here. So I'm just going over the top here. Yep, it's prime time. Yeah, you can see the wind, huh? Stuff's whipping right off. Anyway. Right, that's the second coat. I'll show you what it looks like. A little wet down there, but that's okay. I'm gonna have to sand it. That's what she looks like. Oh, there we go. Bring her back in focus. That's the top. There you go. I'm gonna. Yeah, I like it. Oh, and again, this is for you guys who want to know what I'm doing. 2-in-1 sandable primer. And yeah, it's pretty good. Good stuff here. It's anyway, glad to be getting this done. Alright, we'll keep going. I'll see you on number 3.